And I literally got to observe the kind of soul transition in station. There were beings, they in groups, and they were shepherding souls. And the beings looked very much like what we are conditioned to see as ascended masters or angelics, like that kind of thing. But generally, these beings present themselves to you in accordance to what you believe in. So if you believe in Krishna, you're going to see Krishna. If you believe in Jesus, you're going to see Jesus. If you believe in angels, you're going to think you're surrounded by the angels. If you don't believe in any of that, you're agnostic and you don't believe in any of that, then you are going to encounter your grandmother or someone who looks just like or presents themselves just like a loved one that you would trust and hear and follow their directions. And they get to you through opening your heart. There is this incredible feeling of love, not way more love than what we ever experience on Earth, way less love that we experience in the quantum field of information, the source consciousness.